problem with most multivitamin products on the market is that they often deliver well above the daily recommended value of many vitamins and minerals, which is needlessly wasteful. And what's worse is that these products often include synthetic vitamins and minerals rather than those sourced directly from fruits and veggies.
Now, the industry-leading research and development team at KAGEDMUSCLE has discovered a way to harness some of the most vital nutrients on Earth, and they've concentrated it into this single multivitamin formula. KAGEDMUSCLE's multivitamin provides men and women with 100% of their daily values of 21 vitamins and minerals from organic, plant-based, and vegan-friendly whole food sources. This includes vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are sourced from things like broccoli, spinach, kale, pumpkin, sweet potato, sunflower seeds, kelp, chlorella, maitake mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and more.
Now the best part, we deliver all of this nutritional goodness in one serving per day, not the 2 or 3 like leading competitors.
Our multivitamin is vegan-friendly, keto-friendly, and formulated to be a clean, wholesome multivitamin to support general health, fitness, and overall well-being.